Use the wet whips. Use the microfiber cloth. Remove the dust using these stickers. Choose a ACCOF tempered glass screen protector. Put the alignment kit on the top of the phone. Grab on two sides. Pull off the dust film. All the dust is gone. Press from one side to other side for 2 times. Wait for 15 seconds. The tempered glass screen protector start to absorb automatically. Put down the 2 ears on the top. Take out the fit tray and you can see the screen protector is fully coverage on the device. Press the edge just to make sure that everything sticks properly. Finally, tear off the last protective film. Full coverage to every edges. High definition picture quality. Show original colors. Privacy protection, invisible to others. Sensitive touch. It runs smoothly and without lag when you play games. Electroplated oleophobic layer, anti-fingerprint, waterproof, anti-scratch, drop-proof. How to fix another screen protector into the fit tray. Aligning the holes on the top and pull down, drop the gap on the bottom. Orange, high definition. Purple, privacy protection.